All right, it is day 2 of our renovation of our 1975 camper trailer, and we're starting to make progress on the kitchen. We're pulling out the old propane stove. It came out pretty easy. Disconnected the propane, so that's good, and then pulled out that drawer there. And for me, my very first step here is to clean the inside 50 years of grime and buildup. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I put into my bucket a few pumps of Dawn dish soap and warm water, and everything inside here is going to get a good clean. The fiberglass you can see here comes down and then the wood meets. So I'm going to use that same wash basically all on the inside of the camper, all around everywhere. And then after that, I'll come in after it dries and I'm going to use a higher concentration of TSP, and that will get every single last bit of residue off of this surface to prep it for doing an under primer. And I will talk to you more about that later using Benjamin Moore products. And we're going to go for a really nice cohesive primer all on the fiberglass right to the wood so that it'll be the same color throughout. So right now I'm going to get started, and I am going to wash down all the walls and ceiling of our camper.